Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Honda MTX200R in absolutely immaculate condition, considering the type of bike that it is. Two brand new tyres front and rear, and only 4,000 kilometers on the clock also. So starting from the front, as I said, brand new tyre. Absolutely no need for any replacement in the near future. Front mudguard, very good condition. And going on to the front headlamp, again, extremely good condition. Front forks, very nice, and even the alloys as well. Going on to the central plastics of the bike, absolutely mint condition. Some slight blemishes at the bottom of the tank here, could do with a bit of touch up. Again here, maybe slight blemish there. And going through the tank again in very good condition. Seat is absolutely beautiful. Original Honda MTX seat with no tears in it or signs of wear. Come on to the rear plastics, have some blemishes in the actual sticker but not in the plastics. And the rear swing arm is very nice condition as well. And going on to the bike, or back I should say, 1983 bike, and onto the left hand side of the bike, again all very good condition. Again, some marks in the stickers. Rear tyre is very nice. Original side stand. And this side of the bike, no real marks to make note of, except for underneath the tank. Again, could do a bit of touch up. But main part of the tank, or main part of the tank, is in extremely good conditions again, and same with the front plastics. Some minor blemish here, but could be polished out. And as I said, 4,163 kilometers on the clock. So they're a rare bike in general, but they're even more rare to find in very good condition like this. And again, rare again to find with such low kilometers on the clock. So if you're interested in this Honda MTX200R, it'll be available on our Facebook page and our Done Deal page at Retro Bikes Dublin.